Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio for the like, subscribe, share and get ready for this video. Today I have a beautiful wallpaper for your phone, Redmi wallpaper. This is amazing. Can you see this? Beautiful phone with big icons. Look at on my beautiful screen. Wow, beautiful. Wow, wonderful. At the end of this video, I will put a video to show you how to install this beautiful ROM on a Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus and Note 8, as you can see. And under this video, you will see the link to download this ROM, also the link to download this beautiful videos wallpapers. And if you are download this, copy directly this ROM on your beautiful phone or on your SD card and get ready to open this beautiful wallpapers. The both wallpapers are here. Okay, beautiful. Now, to open this, I recommend you to go on gallery like that, and you will see here on a gallery the first. Wow, this is amazing. Look at that. This is wonderful. Wow, this is great. As you can see, it's so nice and so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Can you see this? This is beautiful videos wallpaper. Look at the second. Ooh, it's blue. Wow, it's blue. Now, how to set as this on your beautiful lock screen? Let me show you right now. Do this and come here, okay? Come here. You can see set as wallpaper, and now you are ready. You are ready to put this on your beautiful wallpaper, your beautiful lock screen, and get ready for that. Are you ready? Now click on set as wallpaper and go on your beautiful lock screen like that, and look at that now. Ooh, amazing. Can you see this? Look at that. This is great. This is so wonderful and so beautiful. What do you think about this? Wow, this is amazing. Alright, now let's test the next. Number 2. Look at that. It's blue. I like more the first video wallpaper. Look at that. Do the same action. Set as wallpaper. Lock screen. Look at. Ooh. Under this video, the link is here. To download this beautiful wallpaper and put on any device in the world, like the Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8, as you can see. Wow, this is great. This is nice. So beautiful. I like it. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And get ready now for the next video. Look at that. Amazing. With one new A. Great. Wow, I like it. Subscribe today. Let's do it.